Hi students, welcome to fifth part of GK. So today our topic is superlatives. Okay, what is two superlatives we have here? See, first one is the tallest animal on land. So which one is the tallest animal here? So giraffe is the tallest animal in the land. Okay, next the fastest bird. The fastest bird is shift. So shift. This bird is very fast. It will move very faster. Okay, next largest bird. Largest bird. So we have very height. So this largest bird is ostrich. Next smallest bird. Here the smallest bird is a hummingbird. So hummingbird is very smallest. Okay, next one is the longest bridge, railway bridge. The longest railway bridge is Lower Zambezi. It is situated in Africa. The longest bridge is Lower Zambezi. It is nearer in Africa. Okay, next tallest building is Burj Khalifa. So where is that? Dubai, UAE. The tallest building is Burj Khalifa building. It is situated in Dubai. Okay, the longest big ship canal. So longest big ship canal is Suez Canal. So which one? Suez Canal, linking Red Sea and Mediterranean. The Suez Canal is linking Red Sea and Mediterranean. So it is linking. Next, busiest canal. Busiest canal is canal. That means ship. Baltic White Sea Canal. So Baltic White Sea Canal is the busiest canal. That means nearly 152 miles it have. It have nearly 152 miles. Which one? Busiest canal. So busiest canal is Baltic White Sea Canal. Next, largest continent. So we have nearly 7 continents. In this, the largest continent is Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Next, smallest continent is Australia. So Australia is the smallest continent. Okay. Next, longest day. So northern hemisphere. It is in northern hemisphere. That's why this day is very long. The day. So it looks like morning to evening. The sun will be automatically shine. Very huge shining is given. So that's why the longest day is nearly June 21st is the longest day. Next, shortest day is December 22. It is also in northern hemisphere. So the shortest day is December 22. Next, longest delta is Sundarban's Delta, India. Nearly it have 8,000 square miles. So longest delta is Sundarban's Delta. So it is in India, nearly 8,000 square miles. Next, longest desert. That means in world, Sahara Desert is the very longest desert. So it is in Africa. So nearly 84 lakhs square kilometers. It have 84 lakhs square kilometers. Next, biggest dome, Gul Gumbaz, Bijapur, Old Arki, 144 feet diameter. It have biggest dome. Next, longest epic. Okay, longest epic is the Mahabharata. Is the longest epic. Next, longest Iceland, Greenland, renamed Kalalit Nunath. Kalalit Nunath. So Greenland, largest Iceland is Greenland, renamed as Kalalit Nunath. Kalalit Nunath. So Greenland's new name is Kalalit Nunath. This is largest Iceland. Next, largest lake is saltwater Caspian Sea. So the Caspian Sea is the largest lake. It has totally salt water. So that's why the Caspian Sea nearly 371,000 square kilometers. It has 371,000 square kilometers. Next, largest mosque, Masjid Al Haram. So Makkah, Saudi Arabia. It is situated in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. Surrounds the Kaaba. It totally surrounds the Kaaba. So largest mosque is Masjid Al Haram. Haram. Masjid al-Haram, it is situated in Makkah, it is in Saudi Arabia, surrounds the Kaaba. It is totally surrounds with the Kaaba. Okay, surrounded, it is surrounded by the Kaaba. Next, tallest minarest is the freestanding Qutub Minar, Delhi, 238 feet. Next, deepest and biggest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. So the deepest and biggest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Next, coldest place or region is Verkhovsk, Siberia. So Verkhovsk, Siberia, temperature nearly 85 degrees centigrade. It have temperature nearly 85 degrees centigrade. So that means that is a coldest place or region is Verkhovsk. It is in Siberia. Next, driest place is Death Valley. It is nearly in California. Rainfall 1.5 inch. It have rainfall nearly 1.5 inch. Next, hottest place in world Al-Ajijia, Libya. It is Africa. So hottest place is in world is Al-Ajijia. It is in Libya. So where is that in Africa? 136 degrees Fahrenheit or 57.8 degrees centigrade. So it have the temperature is so 136 degrees of Fahrenheit or 57.8 degrees centigrade. So it is the hottest place in the world, Al-Ajijia in Libya. So where is that in Africa? Next, highest plateau is Pamir Plateau. Pamir Plateau is the highest plate. So where is that in Tibet? So it is in Tibet. Okay. So see another time. The tallest animal is giraffe. The fastest bird is swift. The largest bird is ostrich. The smallest bird is hummingbird. The longest bird is lower chimpanzee. So tallest building is Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Longest big ship canal is the Suez Canal. So linking Red Sea and Mediterranean. And the busiest canal is Baltic White Sea Canal, 152 miles. Largest continent is Asia. Smallest continent is Australia. The longest day is June 21 is the longest day. The day the sunrise very high. So longest day. Next, the shortest day is December 22. So largest delta is Sundarbans, India, nearly 8,000 square miles, and the longest desert is Sahara, Africa. So 84 lakh square kilometers. Next, biggest zone is Gul Gambaz, Bijapur, Old Arki in 144 feet diameter. Next, longest epic is the Mahabharata is the longest epic. Next, largest Iceland, Greenland. So renamed as Kalalit Nunath. Next, largest lake is saltwater, Caspian Sea, 3,71,000 square kilometers. Next, largest mosque, Masjid al-Haram, Makkah, Saudi Arabia, surrounds the Kaaba. The tallest minarest freestanding Qutub Minar, Delhi, 238 feet. Next, deepest and biggest ocean, the Pacific. Next, coldest place or region is Verkhovsk, Siberia, temperature 85 degrees centigrade. Next, driest place is Death Valley. It is in California. Rainfall 1.5 inch. So next, hottest place Al-Ajijia, Libya and Africa, 136 degrees Fahrenheit or 57.8 degrees centigrade. So highest plateau is Pamir. It is in Tibet. Okay. See next one, the longest platform. So platform. Okay, that is Kharagpur, West Bengal in India. So it is the longest platform, railway platform. So Kharagpur, West Bengal, India. Kharagpur is the longest platform. Where is that in West Bengal? It is nearly situated in India, 333 meters. Next, largest platform railway, same as it is Grand Central Terminal. It is in New York. In world largest platform is Grand Central Terminal. Where is that in New York, USA. Next, largest port of New York and New Jersey, USA. So the largest port is Port of New Jersey. Okay, the largest platform is Kharagpur, West Bengal, India. Largest platform same in world Grand Central Terminal, New York. The largest port of New York and New Jersey. So busiest port is Rotterdam, the Netherlands. The longest railway is Trans-Siberian Railway, 6,000 miles long. Okay, longest river Nile, 6,690 kilometers. Amazon, 6,570 kilometers. Okay, the longest river, first one is Nile, second one is Amazon here. The next longest river dam, Hirakund Dam. So Orissa, India. It is in India, 15.8 miles. So longest river dam is Hirakund Dam. Next largest seabird albatross. So albatross is the largest seabird. Next largest sea inland Mediterranean. Next tallest statue is a Statue of Liberty, New York, USA, 150 feet high. Next longest swimming course, English Channel is the longest swimming course. Next longest tunnel, Shaikhan Railway Tunnel. Okay, Shaikhan Railway Tunnel, Japan, 15.85 kilometers. Next longest tunnel road is Lærdal, Norway. Next longest wall, Great Wall of China, 1500 miles. So next highest waterfall is Salto Angel Falls, Venezuela. Next world rainiest spot Cherrapunji, it is in Mizoram, India. Next lightest gas hydrogen. Next hardest substance diamond. Next largest animal is blue whale, recorded length 106 feet, weight is 195 tons. Next longest lifespan of animal is 190 to 200 years, giant tortoise. Next largest land animal is African bush elephant. Same as it is the fastest animal is cheetah, that is leopard 70 mph. Next longest jump animal is kangaroo. Next slowest animal is snail. Next biggest flower is Rafflesia, Java. So biggest flower is Rafflesia, that is in Java. Next largest temple Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Where is that? Largest temple is Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat. Next largest river in volume Amazon, Brazil. Same as it is the highest straight dam Bhakra Dam. Bhakra is the highest straight dam. Next largest Asian desert Gobi, Mongolia. So these are the superlatives. Next see another time. Longest platform is Kharagpur, West Bengal. The largest platform Grand Central Terminal, New York, that is in world. Next largest port of New York and New Jersey, USA. Next busiest port is Rotterdam, the Netherlands. The longest railway is the Trans-Siberian Railway, 6,000 miles long. Next longest river is the Nile, Amazon. So Nile and Amazon, first one is Nile, second one is Amazon. The longest river dam is Hirakund Dam. It is in India, that is one Orissa state. Next largest seabird is albatross. And largest sea is Mediterranean. The tallest statue is the Statue of Liberty, New York, USA, 150 feet high. Next longest swimming course is the English Channel. Next longest tunnel railway is Sheikh Rail Tunnel, Japan, 53.85 kilometers. Next longest tunnel road Lærdal, Norway. Next longest wall Great Wall of China, 1500 miles. The highest waterfall is Salto Angel Falls. Next world rainforest spot is Cherrapunji. So rainiest spot, world rainiest spot is Cherrapunji, Mizoram in India. Next lightest gas is hydrogen and hardest substance is diamond. Largest animal is blue whale. Okay, next longest lifespan of animal is 190 to 200 years. Largest land animal is African bush elephant. Next fastest animal is cheetah. Next longest jump animal is kangaroo. Slowest animal is snail. So biggest flower is Rafflesia, Java. Next largest temple is Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Next see largest river in volume is Amazon, Brazil. Largest straight dam is Bhakra Dam. Largest Asian desert is Gobi, Mongolia. Okay friends. So this is today GK. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.